We are going to be reinstalling our wheel bearing race. We've got it all out of the mag wheel and clean. We need a few things to do that. 3-in-1 oil, propane torch. Going to use the same thing we used to take it out, which is a steering wheel bearing puller. I don't even know what that thing's called. And a hammer. You're going to want to save your old bearing race because we're going to use this to push it down inside. It's the exact diameter, so we're going to use it. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you do anything at all is you're going to want to take your brand new wheel race. You're going to want to put it in the freezer for at least an hour. And what that's going to do is it's going to shrink the metal just slightly so that you can get it in here without too much hassle. While that's cooling down, you're going to want to warm this up. So you see where we're going with this? All right, let's get this started. All right, I'm gonna go get my nice ice cold bearing race out of the freezer. Add a little bit of 3-in-1. Lube things up just a little bit. Now at this point you might want to give it a little more heat. In this particular case, this mag is deeper, so I'm going to want to go one more race worth down into there. So I'm going to grab the other race and push it on in. It looks about right. We're going to pull the two old races out using this puller. There you go. Your new race, seated right down in there, nice and clean. Now you can reinstall your new bearing. You know, you got to pack it with grease, set it down in there, put your seals in, and you're all set. Easy cheesy. No specialty tools really, other than this guy. He's about 40 bucks. I put a link down in the description so you can buy one yourself on Amazon. Save yourself a bunch of money. That wasn't too hard.
Thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram at house__work. That's 2 underscores between those words. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and leave us a like.